If you want to model a word for a student, or if the student wants help finding a word and you're not sure where to find it on the device, you can utilize the Find Word feature. So you'll go to the keyboard page, the ABC 123 page on their device, and choose the Find Word feature. In this case, it's in the upper right-hand corner. Then you will go ahead and type in the word you're looking for. If the word's not in the device, this Find button will be grayed out and you won't be able to press it. But if it's there, go ahead and select Find. My iPad's being a little slow today. It will find the word for you. Sometimes patience is required. And it will show you the navigation pathway, the buttons that you'll need to get to that word. So you can either cancel this out and just remember those steps, or as it says at the bottom of this window, you can select word to practice the motor pattern and it will lead you through the steps. So I'll go ahead and select it. And like I said, it's just going to lead you through the steps to get to that particular word. So I'll go to groups. It's a space word, and it takes me right to Earth.
Earth.
That's Find Word.